It's a 2017 Mazda CX-5. Its inspired design stirs the soul, a not-so-subtle reminder that crossover doesn't have to mean bland. It comes with the features you need, and better yet, want. SKYACTIVA G engine, front heated leather bucket seats, integrated navigation system with voice activation, auto-dimming rearview mirror, dual-zone climate control, wireless phone connectivity, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, express open sliding and tilting sunroof, power liftgate, and automatic transmission. New Car Test Drive notes, "We think best in class" also applies to the new electric power rack and pinion steering system. With Mazda, driving is what matters most. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Experience the difference at Rochester Mazda, where you get our best price. Bottom line, we are conveniently located at 2955 48th Street Northwest in Rochester, Minnesota.